Say hi, this is a video.
Oh no! It's a video!
Again!
Now stop.
Hello!
What are you making?
We're making
Spaghetti.
coron.
No.
Very special.
Why
With
is
a-
it special?
Made with a lot of love and German fingers. And we don't know really what we're doing. So it's special.
This looks like a long sausage, like German sausage.
You can also wrap.
It's like
It's
lumpia.
delicious, but it's not a nut.
It's a turon from a turon beach.
Turon family. We're the Turon family.
Sing a song.
Here we sing the Turon song.
Turon song? We don't know a turon song. We only know the
Coconut.
coconut nut. Okay, go. Turon banana.
Okay, that.
The turon banana is
Not a nut, at banana, and not a nut. Not a coconut, not a coconut, from the banana tree.
Banana tree. Now. We.
Okay, there's another one. What is that? Put it on in the middle so that you won't spill the other sugar. Somewhere. Wait, yeah. How do you say wait in German?
Eis.
Eis.
Stop, jetzt liebe ich.
Warte.
Warte. Bitte.
Danke.
There.
it's a little turon.
This
It's a
is
baby turon.
called turon. Okay, come up with a different presentation, okay? And Ninang Tess will judge us.
What? I don't mind. I just
Eat it.
Can I make it
Who
fast?
cares?
Like really fast.
Okay. We were thinking of
This one is the
strawberry.
authentic turon. This one, I don't know what kind of it.
This will be the fat.
Lumpiang turon.
The fat turon.
It's nice because it's going to be crispy. And there's a little bit musky in between the bananas. Wow.